Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and finally guys, my casing for my S25 Ultra, which is right here, has finally arrived, and we are going to be putting on this new case that I've ordered. It came actually with the phone, but this was shipped separately. So this is the Otterbox. This is actually designed for Samsung, you can see right here, and it's for the S25 Ultra. They have other variants as well. They have the normal S25, S25 Plus. So this one is for the Ultra. So this one, you can see the casing. This is what we get in the package, React series, and go behind. It says job tested to meet military standards, so it is MILSTD rated 810G, as you guys know, you can see. And then we have wireless charging compatible as well, because you can see over here we have the magnet rings here, and we have a hard case, so this should prevent some nasty drops, I would say, because this is such an expensive device. So you're gonna want to put a very good case on it so it can last very long. So let's open this up and let's put it on the device, and we'll also test out the magnetic ring and see whether it works as well. So let's just cut it open. Okay, so just open. So I just cut the one on top actually, so it's here. Then you can just open here. Yep. So here is the case, like this. Wow. Okay. And we also get, I think that's it, yeah, nothing else. So that's the case. So this is how it looks. It close up shot. You can see the rings. That's the magnetic ring. So you can see full protection. We have the S Pen here with the speaker, the USB-C port. Full protection is on the top as well. We have the some microphone hole. Nothing on this side, and the volume rocker buttons here. We have the Otterbox logo, and yeah, overall it's alright. It's a clear case. So let's put the device on. There we go. It's in, and it looks very sturdy. Oops. Yep. So you can see my device is not too big. It's okay. It has some protections at the sides as well. You can see there is a bit of a height to it. It's not like fully flush, and the cameras as well. You can see it's fully flat, I would say. So in the table, it's not like it's imbalanced, because without the case, the camera bump is pretty big, so it's a bit imbalanced. But with having this case on, it looks pretty good. So yeah. Alright, so now let us test out the magnet. So I bought this case as well for its magnets. So if you guys remember my video, I did the Ugreen no wireless charger. So this is the one that I unboxed earlier, and it has Qi2 compliant charging speeds. So this device as well has supports Qi2 compliance. So you can just like this, and done, attached. And then you can see it's gonna start charging, and you can see now the fast wireless charger is connected and it's attached at the back. So very cute. Power bank here from Ugreen. If you're interested, and you can check out the video that I've done it somewhere over there. But yep, so that is the casing unboxing in general. So just remove it, and overall, yeah, pretty nice case. I don't lie, it's a military standard grade. So yeah, it's gonna absorb all the drop protections in case you drop your device on the sides or something, or at the back. It's not gonna be that bad because it has military grade standard protection. So yeah, that's all for me guys. Just a quick little video and unboxing of this new case here. So this is the case. It's Otterbox by a React series, designed for the S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.